Today I will be talking about Royal's disease, which is also known as hemophilia. It is a X-linked recessive disorder, meaning it is linked with X chromosome. Its cause is mutation in gene found in X chromosome, where the gene makes a protein that help in blood clotting, and that protein get affected by mutation. If the clotting protein is not formed, the blood clotting cascade will be affected, which is a 13-factor process, as you should know from body fluid and circulation chapter. Once this clotting cascade is affected, blood will no longer clot and it will flow endlessly till even a small cut can lead to excessive bleeding, in extreme cases even death. That's why it is also called as bleeder's disease, meaning person bleeds and he can't stop his bleeding normally. It is also known as Royal's disease because Queen Victoria family pedigree shows that a number of hemopoietic descendants were from her, and she passed it down to a number of her descendants. So let's talk about its inheritance pattern, or what gender is, why is it rare in women. So XH would be represented for affected X chromosome, and X would be normal, X would be for safe one. So if we see three cases, X, H and X, then it is a safe for female, while she is affected, but she is only a carrier, not a diseased person. So the disease will not show its effect, even though she is affected. The second case would be X and X, that would be the carrier of disease, or looks like it's some misprinting here. It would not be carrier, would be a perfectly normal person. The third case would be XH and XH, that would be disease case, and she would be diseased as well as pass it down to her descendants as in. So let's talk about the case in males. In males, XY is normal. Since only one X chromosome is present in males, then the person that is suffering from it is also diseased and also a carrier. Effect here again, just like color blindness, XH person, since males have XH and Y and they pass only Y to sons, that would pretty much mean that only person the males can pass the disease to would be females or his daughters. So that would be all for royal disease. Next part will be sickle cell anemia and thalassemia.